Hi, my name is Randall Restley. I'm the Vice President of Applications Engineering here at DigiKey. I've got some good news from Microchip. Turns out they've come out with a new in-circuit debugger and programmer which is available for under $20. What's slick about this is that it manages to, you can use it to debug 4 different kinds of CPUs. There's the PICs, there's the AVRs, there's the SAM, which is a RISC-based, an ARM RISC-based processor, and then also the DS PICs, the digital signal controllers. So it's all available on this board. Now, this works in conjunction with MPLAB. So you download MPLAB, it knows how to talk to this, and in the MPLAB installation folders, it talks about the specific devices that this works with. They're continuing to evolve that software, so there are more and more parts that are becoming available and supported by this device. Now, we happen to, our engineers and technicians at DigiKey happen to make a 3D printed box, so we've made this little box that this board fits into that there should be a link under the video for you to download the step file so you can 3D print your own, but it's a nice little box. And then the other thing with this, it doesn't come with the USB cable, and you'll need to buy that separately. And I think there's a length requirement so that it maintains the high-speed capability of this. And then these ports map out to the different processors variably. It depends on the type of interface to the processor. This has unlimited software breakpoints, but only one hardware breakpoint. It supports data streaming, so just a slick little debugger for under $20. Thank you for watching.